Hi, I'm Owen Honey, a local DIY enthusiast from Builders. Well, Builders has got a wide variety of curtains and blinds to choose from. They've also got a service called Made to Measure, and they'll custom make your blinds just for you. Well, you also might want to choose the blind like I've installed alongside me, which is a Zebra tricolor blind. It is a ready-made blind and easy to install. Let me show you how. The products and tools required to complete the task are an electric drill with a 5mm masonry drill bit, a pencil, tape measure, screwdriver, spirit level, and your blind. Remove your blinds from the packaging and ensure that all the pieces are there. Next, using a pencil, mark off where you'll drill the holes for the brackets. Ensure the markings are level for smooth operation of the blinds. Drill the holes using your 5mm masonry drill bit. Secure the brackets to the wall. Clip the blinds to the brackets, bearing in mind that the winding mechanism could be on either the left or the right. Insert the weighted strip to the bottom of the blind, and there you go, the blinds are ready to use. Well, the great thing about the Zebra blinds is that it offers privacy and light. You can close it if you want more privacy and open it up if you want more light to come into the bedroom. Well, Builders has got a wide variety of this and you can purchase it in store or online. For more inserts, please click on our blog on our website, which is www.builders.co.za. Get to Builders, get it done.